Hello YouTube family, James Green, Short Series Shenanigans. So, today's video, the Lincoln TIG 200 Squarewave. We're just going to be running with it, doing AC aluminum, get it fired up. I've already talked about this. There's other videos that goes into great detail about the settings of the machine. I know when I did the video just showcasing both this and the dual 180 that's sitting right here, that we were going to do some welding. So what we're going to be doing, I'm building, I've already started the stand that's going to set on top of that, around it, and it's going to hold this, plus got a little bit of a surprise here. It's sitting here, and we've got to add more onto the shelf. We scored us and there will be a video coming on it, local purchase, Hypotherm Power Max 45. It's sitting down here, and I'm not going to show it today, but there will be videos coming. So that was a good used score, or local score. Very, very, very little use. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead. We're going to be running about 68 amps on some aluminum channel, and it's 60 thou thick. So we'll just go ahead and get started, and we're using 4043 rod and 2% lanthanated tungsten, 3/32 diameter, and run some 1/16 inch diameter filler rod on this really thin stuff. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll fire up the machine. We already got our gas on. Running 67 amps because I've already been doing a little bit of welding. You guys can see. Alright, so we're going to get with it, and we're just going to go along, and you guys can watch what we got going on here. Let me get my pedal over here. Now I've tagged each one of these legs on one side, so we're going to flip it around, finish buttoning it up, squaring it up. Alright, we'll take a little bit, light up on it, heat it up, and we'll lay us down a beam. Get my electrode. Lovely. Grab another electrode. And I've got them handy. Pay attention. That's why I keep a few extras sharpened up, ready to go. We're just going to throw it on the ground. Pardon me while I get down here. Just a couple amps. 70. Just a little extra. From number 7 cup. Walk on me. Still won't go walk just a little bit, right? There we go. Alright, let's try this again. This time we got us a little more juice. Oh yeah, a lot better. I will say this, Jody Collier makes this look easy, but he's been doing it a long time, so it takes a little bit to get the heat built up, you know. This is really, really thin stuff, and because I had someone they wanted to see how well this worked on thin material, and so this is, it's 16th inch aluminum, so that's pretty thin right there. Just showing you how the machine runs, and I'll pull up the settings here in a little bit and I'll show you on the machine what they're running or what they're set at. So we're just clamping it to the table down here and then squaring up. or these little clamps come in handy for doing little stuff. Alright, we're on the money. And I'm going to have some legs that go on the bottom to where it sits, because it's going to fasten into that cart. You'll see. I'll show you guys in videos. Alright. Firing up again. Matter of fact, let me just grab another fresh long rod here. Yeah, I tried using 3/32 earlier today, and it was just, for this, it was a bit much. Yeah, Jody Collier, he makes this look easy, but, you know, practice, practice, practice. That's why I'm doing this, learning the machine, practicing aluminum. Been very, very pleased with it so far. Lots of porosity, pepper in the puddle, but we're learning. Always learning, every time we weld. What can I do better? That's kind of how I look at it. Matter of fact, now this table isn't level. And I got to cut some more pieces for it. So I'll show you the settings that we got on the machine. Alright. So right now we are at on amperage. Pulse is at, it's off. I'm going to back that down to 70. That'll probably help. Actually, I'm going to go 60. See if that makes a difference. And frequency, we're 120. Let's back it down to like 110. We'll try that. Make a difference. So I'm going to do some welds that are on the inside here now. Okay. Move the camera over. You guys a bit different angle. So what we're going to do is I'm going to attempt. Notice I say attempt. This for me. I got those. And I really don't want to put anything in here where that sets. So we're going to practice our and that's literally just to get us a ground. I'm going to practice right up in here. You guys see better than I can. Actually, I'm going to start off over here first. Took a little bit to get some heat in there. Let's try this. Actually, that's going to be hard to reach. What if we do this? There we go. I think that'll work though. Alright. And then just do it here. Go from the inside out. I will say the puddle's looking a lot cleaner. So I was watching Jody's, one of his, he's got out, you guys can go to his channel, weldingtipsandtricks.com, talking about how I adjust the setting down, the frequency, and then the balance. It's not pulling as much garbage into the weld. So every time I watch his videos, I'm always learning something. And I can tell, this weld looked a lot better than others on the outside. Alright. Let's try this one. Yeah, once you get the heat built up, changing those settings down, it's looking a lot better. It's not, with the exception of me kind of dipping every now and then, the welds are looking a lot better. A lot. We'll just keep going here. Yeah, they're looking a lot better. A lot better. Alright. I know you guys, hard for you guys to see, but I know you guys wanted to see the machine run. Let's try this one left-handed here. Now I tell you what, that setting's made all the difference in the world. It's not pulling as much, as he said, pepper into the puddle. Big difference. Alright, back to the right. All the difference in the world those settings made. Night and day difference. Night and day difference. So we can see some of the outside welds, and I hadn't done anything to them. Some of them better than others, but the bottom you can see world of difference. That having those settings adjusted, practical world difference. course, I'm going to add more to this. Go ahead and shut the machine off. And you flip the switch and it takes a little bit to cool down, and then it shuts off. So, adjusting those settings there at the end, because I saw him do that the other day. He's been talking about welding on aluminum, TIG welding. Every time I watch his videos, I'll learn something. So, bump the settings down. 60 is the magic number. It was set at 70, 75, pulled it down because it was pulling too much garbage into the puddle. I paid attention to when I was watching that. Made a big difference. So this is going to set, I'm going to have one more piece that'll go across. So this is front and back. I'm going to have a piece that's going to go across the bottom. And so, because it'll actually fasten to that other cart, I'm going to put a piece of wood in here. The MIG welder will set up here, and it is going to have some braces that go across the bottom as well. So I got to cut 4 more pieces, and it'll set. And then we're going to build a deal that'll set on top of this, and all this will get fastened, and the Hypertherm PowerMax 45 will set on top. So we have the red tower of power with a gray cherry on top. So there you go. I know you guys wanted to see some thin. Someone commented they want to see thin material. I'm not a welding expert. I don't claim to be. I'm always learning, especially TIG welding. Aluminum has always kind of been my weak area. Welding aluminum, period. Now I'm doing more and more of it. Just all I can say is, Jody, call your welding tips and tricks. He got his channel. He's got 380,000 subscribers. Phenomenal. I'm always learning. But you guys wanted to see, someone mentioned in the comments, they wanted to see how did this welder run on thin material. 16th inch aluminum. I was running about 70 amps. It took a little while for heat to build, which is fine. You don't want to get in a hurry. You get in a hurry and everything just looks like garbage. But I'm loving it. Like I said, whenever I got my Everlast, because everyone's always beating up on me now, they didn't have this machine out. So anyway, other than that, hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you got any questions, comment section below. My public email address, eagledustoff37@gmail.com. So, you guys got any questions, hit me up. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to be doing some more welding. I'll be demonstrating it on DC, doing regular metal coming up soon. We're just going to get back busy with it, and I'll probably do some, live stuff with it. So, take care of yourself and take care of your family, because remember, at the end of the day, you and your family is all you got. Until next time, get out in the garage, and if you got a TIG welder, weld some aluminum. This stuff's fun. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.